Hello, this is the coxal bone of the pelvic girdle, and this is the femur bone of the upper leg. This is the round area of the femur bone that's called the head of the femur. And on the coxal bone, we have the depression in there. That's called the acetabulum. So the head of the femur fits into the acetabulum of the coxal bone to form what we commonly call the hip joint. And the hip joint is an example of ball and socket type of joints. So the head of the femur represents the ball and the depression represents the socket. The ball and socket type of joints allow for three different types of movements. When we move the leg away from the midline of the body and then bring it back to the midline of the body, that's one type of movement that's known as abduction and adduction. And when we use our foot to make a circle, that's another type of movement known as circumduction. And when we move our leg up and down to change the angle between the leg and between the torso, that is also a movement known as flexion and extension. So the hip joints, similar to the shoulder joint, because the shoulder joint is also a type of ball and socket joints. So they both allow for three types of movements: flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and circumduction.